So the article is about CorePower Yoga, a yoga studio located in the Flower Hill Mall. But it's not just your average yoga studio, it's a transformative experience that combines the intensity of workout with the mindfulness of yoga.
That's right. CorePower Yoga was founded in 2002 and has grown into a nationwide phenomenon with over 220 locations across 21 states. And what's great is that they're committed to making yoga accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level.
Absolutely. They offer a variety of yoga styles and class times to accommodate any schedule. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, you'll find a class that suits you. Plus, they even offer virtual live streaming and video on demand classes, so you can practice yoga from home.
What sets CorePower Yoga apart is their focus on both physical fitness and mindfulness. Their mind-body workouts are designed to challenge you physically while helping you achieve a state of mindfulness. And the Del Mar studio has received rave reviews for its warm and welcoming atmosphere.
Yes, the instructors at CorePower Yoga are praised for their ability to offer modifications throughout the class, so they can accommodate both advanced and less advanced students. And the studio itself is also known for its cleanliness and organization.
And let's not forget about the location at Flower Hill Mall. After your yoga session, you can explore the mall's various shops and restaurants. And with their operating hours from 6 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the evening, it's easy to fit a yoga class into your busy schedule.
Definitely. Another great thing about CorePower Yoga is their commitment to customer service. The management team takes the time to respond to reviews, showing that they truly care about providing a great experience for their students.
So if you're looking to transform your body and train your mind, I highly recommend checking out CorePower Yoga at Flower Hill Mall. And the best part is your first week is free, so you can give it a try without any commitment.
That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.